If you're hungry to get cooking with the Ninja DoubleStack Air Fryer, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be using the DoubleStack Pro feature in the included stacked meal racks to seamlessly cook 4 foods at once for 2 delicious meals. This basket will be for my salmon and asparagus meal, and this basket will be for chicken tenders and fries. To begin, insert the crisper plates with the feet facing down in each basket. Make sure to install these crisper plates every time you cook, no matter what function you're using, so that air can circulate all around your food. Add 1 pound of frozen French fries to one plate and 1 pound of asparagus to the other. Then, insert one stacked meal rack over the fries and the other over the asparagus with the handles facing up, ensuring they fit snugly into the side notches. Remember, use the stacked meal racks only with the DoubleStack Pro function for multi-layer cooking. Now, place 1 pound of frozen chicken tenders on the rack over the fries and 2 salmon fillets on the rack over the asparagus. With the baskets set up, power on the air fryer and insert both baskets, the chicken tenders and fries in Zone 1 and the salmon and asparagus in Zone 2. Select the DoubleStack Pro button, then choose your function by turning the dial. For Zone 1, it will default to the air fry function at 450 degrees. Adjust the time to 40 minutes. Repeat for Zone 2 and set the time to 30 minutes. Press the Smart Finish button to ensure that both meals finish at the same time. Then press the Start Pause button to start cooking. The program optimizes cook settings so that both meals finish together. Now that you set it, you can forget it and come back to perfectly cooked meals in no time. When your meal is finished cooking, the stacked meal racks will be hot. Make sure to use oven mitts or silicone-tipped tongs when removing the meal racks from the baskets. For more tips and tasty recipes, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your air fryer or visit us at ninjakitchen.com. And don't forget to check out our other videos on getting started and Smart Finish and Match Cook.